Come on, Daddy, get
Golly!
Oh, it's cheap, man?
Yeah. Yes.
Here, is he part of the
Got it,
deal
Mom?
where y'all would have won something in the tournament?
Yeah, big sheephead.
Another one, Daddy.
Oh, man.
Sheephead?
Mm-hmm. I can net him.
Is it sheephead or drum?
Sheephead. Maybe a drum. I think it's a drum. Oh, sheephead. Yeah, you.
All right.
When you feel you have some leverage on him.
I don't feel leverage. I feel my belly.
Oh God, dude.
Hold on, he's probably bigger. Real.
Oh.
Monster.
Oh. Gee whiz, dude.
It's
It's a drum. It's a drum. Get in there and get it.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, that's the best thing.
Oh yeah, boy.
That is a monster. No one.
Here's a good one. Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, it's a big drum. It's a big drum.
He's swimming away from me. He's swimming away from me. He's swimming away.
It's a big drum.
Oh, it's a drum.
Black drum.
Bring him over here, Daddy. I can't
What
reach
you
him.
caught, but it's smaller.
I can't reach him. Okay, I can't.
Those are the best eating right there. So it shakes off all the water. Don't leave it in the water.
Look at that, dude.
The black tip.
You know, well, I'm a chicken fried